It's a dream for many of us to develop an Android app. Today, in this episode of Peopleware, let's take the first step towards that by installing Android Studio in your system. Go to the link in the description below to download the Android Studio setup file. Click on the Download Android Studio button, then agree for terms and conditions. Once the setup file is downloaded, run that file and make sure that your system is connected to the internet.
Click on Next. Here you can change the file location by clicking on the Browse button, then press Next. Click on Install. It takes some time to install Android Studio. Once it is completed, click on Next, then press on Finish. If you want to import the previous settings, you can import here. Otherwise, you want a fresh start, you can click on Do Not Import Settings. Click on OK. On the time of opening the Android Studio, it will ask permission for data sharing. Click on Don't Send. It will download some files. Click on Next. You can choose the editor theme here, then click on Next. Here you will get a list of files need to be downloaded in your system. It is system dependent, so you may get different set of files to be downloaded. Almost 1.2 GB of files will start downloading once you click on Finish. Click on Finish. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. These are the inbuilt activity templates what you will get on the Android Studio. Click on Empty Activity. Click Next. You can configure your project here. Like you can choose the minimum API level, and you can include support for androidx, instant apps, etc. Once you are done with the configuration, click on Finish. It will download the components whatever is required for the project. Click on Finish. Your project will start loading. Wait for some time until it downloads all the necessary Gradle files and index your project.
Allow access for OpenJDK in Windows Defender Firewall. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have successfully installed Android Studio in your system. For more interesting videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel.